Okay, so we're in our third trade of the day on the self-funded account. We're using 3 mini contracts this time. We're targeting 57.87, which is just a dollar move. That'll put us at about $11. We're trying to make $20 on the day here. Beautiful, beautiful push down. Go ahead and cross that line for me, baby girl. Go ahead and cross that line for me. 50 more cents is what we're looking for. We'll go ahead and lock in what we have right here at 50. Go ahead and cross that line for me. You know what? We'll keep it to what it was. We'll have faith in our analysis. Get a little bit of a breakdown right here. Boom, boom, pop. We are at $10 on the day. This is actually really cool. $11 on the day. We just want to cross this line right here at 87.25, which is just 25 more cents. One more tick over here on the left hand side. Modify that, lock that in. We just made $18. We're $15. Booyah. So we made $16 on the day, guys, and that's just 3 of these micro contracts right here. $20 was the goal. We fell $4 short. Well, technically $5 was the goal. And the reason that I really wanted to trade one more time was to test out my theory of how the different contracts and micros work. I'm very used to how the contracts work in minis. I have to get used to trading micros because I never traded micros. But now that I have a decent understanding, $20 is not that hard to come by. $50 is not that hard to come by. It's about 4 contracts. Let's see. Put in $50 right here. Delete this, put a 0. That's 3 contracts and a $3 move. Let's do 4 contracts. That's 4 contracts and a $2.50 move to get $50. But you'd also be risking the $50. So 1 for 1 in that case. I'd have to put in 40 here to try to get $200. And in that case, it is a $10 move. You know, but starting out, today was a very good day. You have no trailing threshold, so you don't have that to worry about anymore. And we made $16.30. As you guys saw, we saw about $20 that we could have locked in, but it pulled back on us, and that's all we wanted was to get in right here at 57.88.25, 20 cents off of the high point. Actually, no, yeah, about 25 cents off the high point. Take it on down to 58.87.25, but it came down to 58.86.75. So we missed out on about 50 cents. I'm not going to complain about that at all. My day trading as a funded account trader is going well. Did not mean to do that. I'm glad I didn't enter an order. Let's go over to the 15-minute time frame. You see all 3 of my trades. 1 trade here, second small trade here, and this is my first time going above 1 contract with this 3 contracts right there. I like the 3 contracts. I think I would go with 4 to start and then head from there, protecting about $50, 10% of my account, giving me 10 very poor trades. And looking to get a $10 move for $200, you know. And again, once I hit that $1,000 mark, I'm going to be moving up to single micros, because then I'll have 5 different trades that I can go with single micros, raising my earning potential, but at the same time, you know, raising my risk. So we're gonna get to $1,000 on minis first, you know, and it's very much doable. We are becoming a much better trader. But for my very first day on my self-funded account, and that is the dream, guys, that is the goal, to come out here, to use Apex Trader Funding, to get paid, to take that money and invest it inside of your own trading account. You guys see I started with a balance of $500. I took 3 trades, got 3 wins. Give me 1 second, we'll go over to Trade of 8. All right, here we are in Trade of 8. We're going to look at our report card. Go ahead and click on go. And you guys can see we're at 100% for the day, and that's my goal. Our maximum drawdown has been $1.74 against us. Maximum drawdown has been $5.22. We've taken 3 trades. We've won all 3 trades, and our commissions are pretty high, actually. Anyway, but that's fine. The commissions are high. I should mention that. So the first time we made $5, second time we made $5, third time we made $15. And as stated, the commissions are high. That is the one great advantage of using a funded broker, is that you don't have to worry as much about the commissions. Our total profit for today is $25. Our take home profit is $16.30. So we missed out on $8 worth of profit trading with this particular broker solo. So you need to be aware of that. You open a trade, you're instantly down about $2 to $3. So you have to be right at least a couple of dollars to make sure that you actually get paid in order to add to your account. But that's it. 3 trades, 100%. Very good trading day. We're very happy with our first day in the live account. And it's baby steps. I mean, this is money. This is my cash out of my bank account. It's not like Apex is paying me to do this. I'm no longer, well, I'm with Apex, but for my funded accounts, I'm going solo now. I want to build my own account up. I've got my LLC and everything already set up, but I got to go. I'll catch you guys in the next video. What's going on, guys, and welcome to another Full Transparency Trading Short, where I am your host, Sebastian, and today was our very first day trading our own funds, which is a very scary thing, actually, because you're always worried about losing money when you're trading with your own money versus when you're trading with like the prop firms and stuff like that. But the goal, of course, of the prop firms is to make enough money so that you can branch out on your own. You shouldn't be pigeonholed to just trading for the prop firms forever. In fact, the motto itself is counterintuitive to what you need to be doing while trading. You know, as a whole, you want to be comfortable, you want to be in control, and you want to be the one who sets the rules. So now we're setting our own rules. We've taken $500 of our earnings and we put it into this account, and we've been trading micros today, and we actually did a pretty good job. We had 4 trades, we made $22. But now here is the big difference, the biggest difference between trading for the prop firms and trading on your own. The fees are insane. With that said, let's head on over to TradeOvate. Okay, so we're over here on TradeOvate. We're gonna go to our report card for the day. Come over here to the left side and just click go. And as you guys can see, I've taken 4 trades. I've won 4 trades, lost 0, and we have an 100% winning trades for the day. Our max drawdown was $5. Our max run up was $24, and our largest winning trade was $15. As we scroll down, I actually like it in PDF form a little bit better, so I'll download the PDF for later. But as we scroll down here to the bottom, you can see that we took one trade at $2.30 for $15. We took another trade right at the close that lasted 1 minute and 40 seconds for $11.25. Took a 6-minute trade for $5. This is our very second trade. We were kind of just, experimenting with the first 2 trades. This one lasted about 1 minute and 8 seconds, so we got $5 there, and that was just trying to snag profit. One of the keys that I noticed to helping you with funding yourself, because like I said, at the end of the day, that's the goal, is that you want to secure profit. When you see green, take green and you'll stay green. I don't care if it's just a few dollars. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but over time this is going to accumulate to be quite the large amount of money. Now, once I get to $1,000, I will switch over to the minis, because the fees for trading micros are this expensive. It's not worth it to trade just micros. So once I reach $1,000, I will be shifting my attention 100% towards trading minis, and that'll give me $200 per trade, 5 horrible trades to blow the account, of course, but the goal is to secure profits and a decent amount of profits. Right now I'm risking about $3 to $10, and I haven't reached a $10 trade just yet, but that's because I'm just testing this out. I wanted to see how it worked when you're doing it on your own. As far as you not having a trailing drawdown anymore, you have to have very specific rules in place. But 4 for 4 on the day and $22 doesn't seem like a lot, but that is a very great trading day when micros run $1.25 per tick. So each one of my trades was at least $1.25 to $2. Some of them were upwards 3. Our final trade we just took right here, as you can see on the way down. We got out right there, and that was the $11 trade. But another thing, really quickly, before we leave off of this, where is it? $36 is what we actually made. So we had a really good day, actually, when you think about it. We almost made $10 per trade, right? But because of the fees, look at those massive fees and commissions there. 40% of it is commissions. We only take home $22.33 of our $36.25. That is pretty wild, and that is one of the biggest differences between this and the funded company. The funded companies get such a large discount. I think I can trade like 10 contracts and I'm paying like 3% of whatever it is that I'm earning. Here you're trading out a lot of money as soon as you open up those micros. So like I said, it's almost not worth it to open the micros. I'm going to be going minis as soon as humanly possible, but we're going to build our account up first. I refuse to add more money to this account. I'm starting at 500. I'm going to make my $5 a day, etc. Every single day, and then I'm going to take it from there. And once I reach $1,000, start trading the one contract minis. One contract minis, if you guys don't know, every $10 is $500. So I can double my money trading minis fairly quickly versus trading micros, where I'd have to add, you do have the option of adding like 100 micros or whatever, but where I can add as many minis as I want, as many micros as I want, or I can just do one mini, so we have options. And we're going to take advantage of them, and it should go fairly well. The market ran up to an extreme today. Let's go ahead and minimize this so that we can look at this on the 15-minute time frame. As you guys can clearly tell, this market started off on, what's today, Tuesday, down here, 4 o'clock in the morning, ran up, we broke, we consolidated for a while, we exploded up, we consolidated and pulled back, we exploded up even higher, and we literally went demand zone to supply zone and then rejected. The day before that, we went demand zone to supply zone and then rejected. This time when we rejected, it wasn't as much. So we'll be looking for it tomorrow to see if we're going to break out of this area here or we're going to reject again. But we had our 4 good trades. We're happy with the day, 100%. And that's it, guys. Again, happy hunting. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section about funding, about anything, and I'll get to them as soon as I possibly can. Once again, this is your boy Sebastian. This has been another Full Transparency Trading session, and I'm out.